Do you know who that is? Of course, that's Wanda. Do you know who's equally powerful as her? That's right, it's Zombie Wanda. This month will not be complete without some Marvel content, so I decided to create Zombie Wanda, which was introduced in the latest MCU series, What If. I'll be using this photo to recreate this scene from the series. But since her face here doesn't quite match the zombie one, I replaced it with this face. Now that's perfect. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! To already get the vibe of the zombie skin, I desaturated her skin first, then because it's an adjustment layer, I had to make sure that only the skin is desaturated by brushing out the rest of the mask. I also made her eyes darker. Then I used this rust texture to make it look like her skin is peeling off. To make the skin look dry, I added this dry tree stem and crack texture. And then I added some flesh to the cracked skin to add to that zombie look. Using a skull image, I made the eyes look deeper by overlaying the hollow part around the eyes, then also made her eyes glow. To make it a lot more zombified, I added more wounds and some tears on her clothes. After zombifying Wanda, it's time to create the scene, so enjoy the rest of the video.